Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Klever on any Windows or any computer or laptop. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload any video, you should be the first one to get its notification. For mining Klever token or coin, you need good hardware components, best internet connection, and Klever wallet address. So in here I will open the browser. Before navigating to the mining process, navigate to IntoCrypto, check out the mining tutorials, Binance tutorials, and other coin reviews. Here is the unmineable.com. I will mine the Klever token using the unmineable miner. So I will minimize the window and go to the desktop. In here I will type Klever. Before downloading the unmineable miner, you have to navigate to the desktop and create a folder for the unmineable miner. And here is the Windows security. I will open it and click virus and threat protection. Click on the manage settings. Now again scroll down here, click on add or remove. Select add and exclusion, select the folder. Here select the desktop and select the Klever folder. The Klever folder is now added to the Windows exclusion part, so I will simply close the Windows security. Why we are performing this task? Because the third-party softwares including all the miners are affiliate for the Windows operating system. In this case, the Windows operating system will delete automatically the unmineable miner or other miners. So here again I will go back to the unmineable.com. Once you are here, click on the download. Here is the download. Right click on this. You can save the link as, or you can download it with IDM. So I will click on the download with IDM and click on this three dot and select the desktop and select the Klever folder, and here is the save and start the download. As I have already downloaded, so there is no need to download it again. Simply I will cancel the download. Here minimize the window. Simply I will copy the unmineable miner from here and paste it to the Klever folder. Here right click on this and extract here. Once the unmineable miner successfully extracted, double click to launch it. Here is the unmineable miner, so click on the continue option. Here you can select your mining hardware. If your computer is having a perfect graphic card, so you can select GPU. In this case I will select CPU and click on the next. Here I will type the token name. Here is the Klever, and here you have to paste your wallet address. In this case I will use my wallet address, that is Trust Wallet. I've already downloaded and installed the Trust Wallet on my Windows operating system, and I've created a wallet. So if you don't know, I will provide you the link in the below down description. Simply check the link and install the Trust Wallet on your Windows operating system. Here I will copy the Klever address and paste it here. Once you have pasted the address, the start button will appear. So click on the start to start mining Klever. So here is the last 24-hour reward, the total paid, the last payment now, and the payouts from 50 KLV. You can check the KLV or Klever token on the coin market cap. So if you want to bring changes to the setting, here click on the advanced setting. You can set your mining intensity, like there is low or high, or you can set a custom setting. Here you can set a custom worker name and you can set a custom referral link for yourself. So here, if you want to check the stats of the mining, you can simply check the stats. As you can see, here is the unmineable miner. It starts mining KLV token and giving the hash rate of over 700. If you want to check the stats, so simply click on this option to open the unmineable.com. Unmineable.com is a pull between your miner and your wallet address. Here you can check auto pay every 12 hours. Here is maximum amount is, you can see, 50 KLV. So here is the workers, the payments, the referral code, and the status. There is a good thing about the referral code. If you share the referral code with your friends, once they have started the mining, you can earn 0.25% of mining reward. So here is the KLV token is perfectly mining on my laptop. So guys, this is the way how you can mine KLV token on your computer. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will see you in the next one.